Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper bunny letter. So this is a really easy way of making a paper bunny letter and is useful too. So this is also a really cute craft. So you might think that this is just an ordinary bunny craft. And one more special thing about this is that we have a small letter over here. So you can write anything you like. So I just wrote Happy Easter since Easter is coming up and I started to post Easter crafts on my channel. So it's not just for Easter. You can even do it for birthdays or any other things. And you can write Happy Birthday and you can write other things and you can give it in this as well. So we have a cute column over here. We can just insert this letter and as you see it's visible in the back. So if you fold it a little bit inwards like this, even the letter won't be visible. It can also be a cute hiding spot as well. So you can use this letter for many occasions or you can use it as a simple craft or toy to play with and gift it to your friends and family members. So let's get into the video. So this is a really simple craft. So you only need totally 5 materials for this craft, which are a pink square piece of paper, a white circular piece, a pink marker, and I'm also taking a black gel pen. If you guys want, you can take a black sketch or marker. And I'm also taking a scissor. So glue is not necessary. If you guys want to stick extra things, you can take glue if you like. So now without any further delay, let's get started. Let's get into the video. So the first step for this activity is that I'm just going to be taking a square piece of paper like this. And I'm going to be folding it diagonally. So the next step is that I'm going to be taking this total part over here. And we're going to be folding it to the bottom like this. And now we're going to be opening it back and we're going to be taking this bottom part and we're going to be folding it. So once we do this step, we'll be having like a boat-like structure. So after we complete this, I'm going to be taking this bottom part and I'm going to be folding it to the top part like this in such a way that touches the top part. So now I'm just going to be repeating the same step on this side of paper as well. So now we'll be having like a diamond and like a BTS symbol formed on the top as you see over like this. So the next step is that we're going to be taking this top part and we're going to be folding it a little bit to the bottom. So like we're supposed to be folding it like this so that like a small triangular piece is formed. So after we complete this, I'm going to be folding this piece of paper on these sides as well, like this. So now I'm just going to be taking this piece of paper a little bit from the bottom and I'm going to be folding it to this part like this. And now I'm going to be turning the paper to the opposite side. And as you see, we'll be having the cute part over here. So now I'm going to be taking this top part and I'm just going to be folding it inside like this. So now as you see, a really easy cute bunny is ready. So the next and main important part is decoration. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a black gel pen and as I said, I'm going to be drawing a cute figure. So I'm just going to be drawing small eyes for the bunny. So I'm going to be drawing a cute face for the Easter bunny. So if you guys want, you can draw hands and keep the Easter bunny is holding an egg. Or one more cute thing is I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a stand as well, like photo frame stand and everything. So you can just make a small stand and stick it at the back and you can keep it as a wall decor, or you can keep it as a table decor and you can take the message from it and you can do many things. Maybe like a secret drawer toy storage place. So now I'm just going to be drawing 2 black circles over here for the eyes. So as you see, I decorated this one in a really nice way, but this one I thought of making it simple, so I just made like a small cute eyes for this one. So I'm just going to be leaving a little bit of space like this for the eyes to make it more cute. So now the next step is that I'm going to be drawing eyelashes. So I'm just going to be drawing one curved line, and I'm going to be putting 3 lines on top of them like this. So make sure that this part doesn't come out and insert it properly like this over here. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be putting a small oval like shape and I'm going to be coloring it in. Before that, I'm going to be fixing this eye part, which is kind of oval at the bottom. So I'm just going to be fixing that and I'm just going to be drawing a cute oval at the bottom and I'm going to be coloring it in like this. So now our oval part is ready. So this is going to be represented as a nose. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be drawing like a half 8 or like a 3. So we're just going to be drawing one line like this and one more line over here from this side. So this is for the cute whiskers of the rabbit or the bunny. So now our face and everything is ready. So if you guys want, you can do more decoration to it. So next step is that I'm going to be taking the pink marker I had and I'm going to giving a little touch to the face over here. You can even do more decorations if you want. And for the ears, I'm going to be coloring them in like an oval shape over here. So as I said, you can do more decorations. And one more thing is that if you want, you can stick like pink jewels or any other small marbles or like beads and everything. Or you can like give like outline over here like this, which will also make it look cute. And you can give one outline or like this as well. It's according to you. You can decorate it in any way you like. So after this, the main part of our bunny letters that we're supposed to make the letter. So for that, I'm going to be taking the circle we had and I'm going to be writing a cute message over here. So as I said, you can write any message you want. You can use it, write the message according to the occasion you're going to gift it to. So since Easter is coming up, I'm going to writing a cute Easter message like about Happy Easter, so the same thing. So if you guys want, you can like use calligraphy and write in a different way and do more decorations and do anything to it. So I'm just going to be writing Happy Easter over here. And I'm just going to be drawing 3 eggs, 3 Easter eggs like this. And I'm doing decorations to them. So I'm just going to be doing like 3 decorations, like 3s by drawing them. And the next one will be like full of dots. And the next one will be like just random lines like this. So the back, I'm going to write another message saying that let the Easter bunny visit you. So it's just like anything you want. So it's just your wish. Let the Easter bunny visit your house. I'm just going to be writing that. So as I said, you can write any message you want. So I'm just going to be writing it. So you can put more decorations to it. If you want, you can like color it like doing this. And you could turn it. And you could just do small decorations and color it. It's according to you. So after we complete this, our message is also ready. So now we're going to take in this message. As you see, this is a bunny. And as you see, there will be like a small part behind this folded part. We're just going to be pushing it slowly inside like this. And it will also not fall away. It will stand still because we have another covering part over here. So for that, I'll also show you this decoration I made for the first bunny. So I just wrote Happy Easter and I drew a few eggs with a couple of designs like this. Then at the back also I wrote Happy Easter and I tried to draw a bunny but which did not turn out well. So you guys can refer Google and draw a bunny, or I've also posted a video on my channel about many other stickers and drawing things. So you can even like visit that videos and see any ideas. For example, I've posted about how to make smiley stickers. You can even get that smiley ideas and do it in this one as well. So after we complete this, a really easy Easter bunny message letter is ready. So you can customize it in your own way and decorate it according to your own wish. As I said, you can put marbles, beads and stick it. And if you want, you can make it in a bigger size and make it more realistic. And you could make it colorful and use it for different purposes. And you can give it to your friends and family members. And you can even keep it for yourself. And you can make many of them and keep it in the drawer or keep it in a safe place. And whenever a birthday or any occasion comes, you can use them and do it. So this procedure can be done for different crafts as well. So for example, you can just like draw an apple or do anything. And you could just repeat the same steps, a few foldings to make like a secret column to fit any gifts over here. So that's all for today's video. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Also press the bell icons that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. If you want more ideas like this, you can also comment that in the comment box below. And if you want a tutorial about how to make different secret message keeping places for different crafts, for example, in an orange you can keep a letter, or like in a pen shaped craft you can even do that. So if you want more videos, definitely try to comment in the comment box below, and I'll see to your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. And if you also have any doubts in my channel or any other doubts in my crafts or about me, you can comment that as well. I'll also try to answer your questions as soon as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends and family members, and also keep watching my channel for more interesting videos like this. And I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.